What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best air nail gun in 2022. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. WEN61721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer. This WEN pneumatic nailer is an incredible value for the money, offering compatibility with 18 gauge. Brads up to 2 inches in length for light duties including trim and molding fastening. The magazine holds 106 nails at a time, and the nailer itself features a depth adjustment wheel, nail gauge, a quick release mechanism, and adjustable air exhaust. A convenient operating pressure of 60 to 115 psi and a 1/4 inch inlet round out this unit to be one of the best cheap nail guns available. The nose latch allows jam clearing without tools, and a simple wheel adjusts depth. The gun exhaust can be rotated in any direction so it never blows air at the user. An air hose restricts some movement, but the WEN Brad nailer is a relatively light 7 pounds. It also has a rubberized grip, so it's manageable and comfortable to operate. With a CFM of just 0.028 per nail at 88 psi, it can run off a low-cost compressor, like the PorterCable. It isn't intended for substantial fencing jobs, but it shares our best overall picks: versatility while delivering tremendous value for money. Pros: lightweight and manageable. Only needs a modest compressor. Great value for money. Comfortable. Cons: light-duty fencing only. Number 2. Numax SFR 2190 Framing Nailer and Nail Gun. This Numax 21 degrees framing nailer is a budget-conscious yet high-performing pick for best nail gun for decking and flooring. It uses generic 10 to 12 gauge plastic-coated full-round head framing nails in lengths from 2.5-3.5 inches, easy to use and set up for an air-powered nail gun. It has an adjustable trigger and a tool-free depth adjustment. It also features an adjustable angle air exhaust. The Numax 21 degrees nail gun is noted for consistency and durability, helped by a one-piece drive blade and a sturdy yet lightweight magnesium body. It also has an anti-dry fire mechanism to reduce wear on the tool. An air compressor isn't included with the nail gun, so consider purchasing a separate kit, like the WEN61721 PVC air compressor air hose kit with 17-piece air tool and air compressor accessories kit. Another one of the best pneumatic nail guns is the Metabo HPT framing nailer, which can drive nails from 2 up to 3.5 inches. It can easily switch between compact and sequential firing, has a tool-less nail depth adjustment dial, and is also lightweight and easy to handle. Pros: best for framing and amp decking. Uses generic 10 to 12 GA nails. Durable, lightweight magnesium body. Air compressor kit. Cons: compressor not included. Number 3. Stanley TRE550Z Electric Staples/Brad Nail Gun. This brand nail gun and stapler combo is a very versatile and easy-to-use tool. It combines the utility of a Brad nailer and a powerful staple gun, using 1/2 inch Arrow T50 staples or Stanley TRA700 staples, or 1/2 inch, 9/16 inch, and 5/8 inch brads. This adaptability plus its low price make the Stanley TRE550Z a good choice for the best nail gun for DIY upholstery, carpeting, and molding projects, while it lacks the large capacity of some more expensive nail guns, and the 240V plug can be an issue in some homes. Overall, this rugged and simple-to-use nail gun is a top pick for crafts of all kinds. A budget-friendly price, plus unique high and low power settings for use on different materials such as plywood, drywall, hardwoods, and laminate, make this our pick for best electric nail gun for general DIY tasks. High and low for different materials and an 8-feet power cord. It uses different sized staples or nails, which makes its use quite diverse. This option is easy to use with contoured grips. However, there may be a delay in the firing mechanism, packing a powerful punch within a classic look. This option is the best overall on our list. Number 4. PorterCable 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer. This cordless Brad nailer from PorterCable offers easy maneuvering and lightweight action in a powerful package, making it a great nail gun for trim and a good choice for small home projects. An included depth adjustment will let users set countersink depth consistently and makes work that much easier alongside other features, including jam release and a tool-free release lever. It's compatible with all 20V max batteries and sports an integrated belt hook for efficiency. There are many factors that can lower the cost of a nail gun, and, fortunately, most of them have no bearing on overall quality or ease of use. A cheap nail gun is typically a compact Brad nailer best suited for light duties, such as fastening, molding, and trim, and other cosmetic details. If you're shopping on a budget, you'll find the most cost-effective nail guns are also pneumatic designs, which keep costs down but require storing and maneuvering in air. compressor, and you may find that a cheaper model requires even more maintenance than a pricier design depending on its build quality. Number 5. Chemo 18-gauge cordless brad nailer/stapler kit. Those looking for a tool that can fire both staples and brad nails should check out this Chemo 18-gauge cordless model. It's a great all-rounder for lightweight fencing panels, trellises, and various types of plastic or wire mesh. It also has a host of applications for DIY woodworkers and craft projects. Its 20V cordless power means complete freedom of movement, and Chemo claims the gun will fire 700 nails before it needs recharging, unusual for a brad nailer. This tool offers both sequential and bump firing. Using the latter, it can fire up to 90 nails per minute. Depth adjustment and jam clearing are tool-free, and useful LED work lights illuminate dark corners. While this isn't the least expensive tool on the market, the included battery and charger make the price competitive, given its versatility. The Chemo ranks among the top nail guns for all DIYers. When rare problems with the unit have occurred, some users have been critical of customer support. Pros: fire staples or brands, sequential or bump action, battery, charger, and bag included. Cons: premium price.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.